Hello, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today, we will undertake a fast revision of the third stanza of Robert Browning's renowned poem, The Patriot, in this particular video. In addition to our revision, as you all know very well, that we will also be looking at some multiple choice questions. These questions will test your understanding of the poem and also help you to engage with the text on a deeper level. So let's start. Children, basically, the third stanza describes the speaker's regrets. So, here in this stanza, the speaker regrets that he leaped at the sun for his loving friends. But now he feels dejected at his harvest and admits that he was dumb enough to try to go beyond his limits. Like he's not happy with what he has done because the results are not as expected by him. Here, in this stanza, children, Browning compares the speaker or alludes to the legendary Icarus. Who was Icarus? He was the one who died due to his overzealous desire to fly to the sun on his wax wings. You must have studied it in your school also in detail about the poem. Uh, in the end, in this stanza, the speaker realizes that very soon he will be meeting his end. So this whole stanza is basically about the regret and the dejection that the speaker is feeling. So let's start. Here it goes like this, stanza 3. Alack. Alack means when he's regretting about something. Alack, it was I who leaped at the sun to give it my loving friends to keep. Not men could do have I left undone. And you see my harvest, what I reap. This very day, now a year is run. Now here we have a quick revision of the meaning of this stanza. So the third stanza, children, this very day, now a year is run. Or like today, he is remembering about the year which is already over. Like last time, the same day, a year back, what was happening to him, and now what is happening to him. He's thinking about all that. The speaker now regrets that it was he who leaped at the sun for his loving friends. It was the speaker who went ahead to do every possible thing in public's best interest. The speaker now feels dejected at his harvest because the results are not as expected by the speaker. People are not happy with him. Everything has changed for him in a year. Do you remember in stanza 1 and 2, the speaker told us that how he was welcomed by the people in the uh, town. They were all celebrating, they were all standing on the roofs and welcoming the speaker. But today, exactly after 1 year, the very same day, the situation is totally different. So everything has changed for him in a year. The speaker admits that he was dumb enough to try to go beyond his limits. In truth, the acclaim of his people had made him overly optimistic and overly ambitious. The people were praising him too much, no? So he also became too ambitious and he started doing everything too much. Browning alludes to the legendary Icarus in the stanza. Icarus is a mythological story, children, in which Icarus died as a result of his overzealous desire to fly to the sun on his wax wings. So he kept on flying near to the sun and his wings melt away. Similarly, the speaker, like Icarus, will meet his end, which he realizes a year later. Now let's start with our multiple choice questions. Here the question number 1. Go through it. Children, kindly subscribe to the channel and like the videos This encourages me to make more videos for you because framing multiple choice question is not that easy. You should um, study thoroughly about it. The previous question and this question is same, but I have framed it in a little different way. We never know, the examiner can ask in any way, no? Children, I'm not reading these questions so that, like, no, peacefully you can read them and understand them by yourself. So it will help you in a much better way because you will try to comprehend the question by yourself. This time, with the literary devices, I have also provided you the reasons so that you can understand in different videos like what is hyperbole or what is alliteration. So, in this question, like what literary device is used in the line, not man could do, have I left undone? Like, is it possible that you can do everything that is possible for a human? No, no. But because he did a lot of effort, so he's exaggerating it, so that is why it is a hyperbole. The speaker exaggerates his efforts and implies that he has done everything humanly possible. So this explanation will help you to understand the figures of speech. Here also I have provided you the reason why this line has metaphor. Children, do support my channel by liking and subscribing and sharing it. Your support will provide me a lot of encouragement to do this work more so that I can help you as much as possible. Don't forget to like our channel. So here it ends. Thank you very much, everybody. I hope you all will support me because your support is very much needed. It will encourage me to do this good work more and more. Thank you, everybody. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel.